Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can successfully sign out and completely sign out from YouTube. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So normally if you go onto YouTube and you would search for a place where you can actually completely sign out, you're not going to find a place where you can sign out of Google, since on a phone you're using your Google account on all apps. You can't sign out from only one place that uses Google, for example, YouTube or Gmail or anything. You have to completely remove the account from the device, or you could just basically switch accounts. Like basically, if I click on accounts and then I go onto this account, I've basically logged out of my account from my account only from my Google account only on YouTube. Okay, but that's the way. There's also another way of completely removing the account. Basically, how you can do this. You're going to click on settings, and then account, manage accounts, and then you're going to click on whatever account you want to remove. Okay, let's say this. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on remove account, and like this, you completely signed out for your Google account from your device and YouTube. So, hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.